K10 and I am at the beach. Yeah, the beach is so much fun and I had the best day ever. I made a sand castle, I played in the sand, I even went for a little dip in the ocean. It was the best time ever. And now I have to go home. And I just wish that there was a way to make me remember this great day that I've had at the beach. Wait a minute. This gives me a clever idea for a crafternoon. We can use some sand from the beach to make a beach memory. Yes! Oh, do you have a container I could use? Awesome, okay, great. What we'll do is we'll just scoop up some of this sand. Oh yeah, let's go, come on. Whoa, all right, so we have our bowl of sand. Ooh, listen to that. Well, that's kind of cool. All right, so let's open it up. Here we go. Wow, that is the sand from the ocean that we were just playing in. So what we're gonna do is we're going to take this sand, and my idea is we can make a sand castle with it. Have you ever made a sand castle? They are so fun. I have this cookie cutter that's in the shape of a sand castle. Well, this is actually the shape of a castle. So the idea is if we make a mixture of sand and glue, we can put it into this cookie cutter shape and then it's going to dry and then we can decorate it like a castle. How does that sound? And you'll always remember the great time from the beach. So let's get going. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take glue and we're going to put a lot of glue inside of this mixture because we really want to stir up glue and this sand together. We're gonna start with a little craft stick to stir this mixture up. Now look at that. It's just slowly getting all of that sand into it. It kind of looks like sand slime if you ask me. Look at that. It's just getting all ooey and gooey and sandy. Okay, and I think what I should do is maybe get my hands dirty. All right, ew. It feels very much like wet sand, but with extra stickiness on it. Ew. So you make this kind of like a sand putty, and this is just sand and white glue that we've mixed together. Can you believe that? It kind of reminds me of baking, like rolling some dough in some sugar, but instead of sugar, it's just sand. All right, so we've got this all. This is starting to feel really good. So you kind of just have to judge it yourself. You want to have as much sand in here as you can, but not so much that you're gonna have sand all over the place. And a good idea when you're doing this craft is, because this is one of the messier crafts I've ever done, is do it with some paper lying down, or this is a great one to do outside to keep that mess under control. But look at this. This is even fun just to make sand slime, I have to say. So let's take our mold. I'm gonna move this bowl over here. We're gonna take our mold and we're gonna take our sand glue and we're gonna push it into the mold. Just make sure you press it all the way to those edges of that mold because you want it to retain that shape. All right, so we have this beautiful little mold. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this over here. So we're going to gently lift this in to here. Make sure you press it nice and flat so that the wax paper doesn't kind of bunch up underneath. because then you might get a crinkle mixed in with it. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna let this glue sand dry for about 3, 4, 5 days, however long it takes until it's dry. And then it's gonna look just like this. Wow! So this is what our castle looks like after you peel it out of the mold. And it's a little bendy because of the glue, but it's really solid otherwise. And now what I think we should do is decorate it and make it look very royal. And to do that, I have just the thing. Glitter glue. I love glitter glue because it adds always such a nice shine and impact to whatever you're trying to make look awesome. Let's make this beautiful outline. Here we go. Adding an outline always adds so much to make a project look finished. Wow, check this out. This is our crafternoon creation. It's a sand castle made of sand from the beach that we went to. Isn't that just so beautiful? If you want, you could also get a grown-up to put a magnet on the back and make it a beautiful magnet reminder of your trip. Thank you so much for having another very royal crafternoon with me, K10. Bye.